Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robot vacuums, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra. These advanced cleaning machines are packed with features that will make your life easier. So let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the category of hands-free cleaning. Both the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra offer convenient auto-empty docks. However, the Q7 Max Plus takes it a step further with its impressive 2.5L dust bag that can store up to 7 weeks of debris. This means you won't have to worry about emptying it frequently. When it comes to suction power, the Q7 Max Plus boasts a powerful 4,200 pascals suction. This enables it to easily lift debris, pet hair, and even draw dirt from carpets. Plus, it automatically increases suction when it detects a carpet for deep cleaning. On the other hand, the S7 Max Ultra takes it up a notch with its enhanced 5,500 pascals hyperforce suction, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience on both floors and carpets. Now let's talk about the vacuum and mop combination feature. The Q7 Max Plus allows you to vacuum and mop simultaneously, ensuring a deeper clean by removing fine dust that vacuuming alone may miss. With its electronic pump and 30 water flow levels, you can easily adjust the cleaning to match your floor types and preferences. Similarly, the S7 Max Ultra offers the Roborock mopping system, which removes dried stains more effectively than traditional robot mops with sonic scrubbing at an incredible 3,000 times per minute. Moving on to navigation and mapping, the Q7 Max Plus utilizes PreciSense lidar navigation. This advanced technology creates precise maps of your home, tracks cleaning routes, and offers a range of smart cleaning functions. You can even view a 3D representation of your home. The S7 Max Ultra features reactive tech obstacle avoidance, which detects and avoids objects on the floor, making it convenient for you. It can even suggest no-go zones automatically to prevent any mishaps. Let's talk about the dustbin and water tank capacity. The Q7 Max Plus combines a 470 ml dustbin and a 350 ml water tank, allowing you to clean more without frequent emptying or refilling. Similarly, the S7 Max Ultra offers ample capacity for both dust and water, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Lastly, let's discuss the brush system. The Q7 Max Plus features an upgraded all-rubber brush that strongly resists hair tangles, making it ideal for long hair and pet hair. With its 4 planes of movement, it stays close to the floor for more effective cleaning on uneven surfaces. The S7 Max Ultra, on the other hand, comes with an upgraded floating rubber brush that stays close to uneven floors, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus has been praised for its affordability, laser mapping, and app-based control. Reviewers mention that it requires some setup and does not work well on area rugs or carpets. On the other hand, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra has received positive feedback for its base unit, obstacle avoidance, vacuum control, and cleaning performance. Some reviewers mention dislikes such as the app's interface and missing features like room cleaning order and bin emptying options. Overall, both models have been well received, and it ultimately comes down to specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra robot vacuums. Both models offer impressive features, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.